Okay, folks, we are here at Blue Moon Scrapbooking, and we got a package from Graphic 45, and we will be doing the Graphic 45 Kit of the Month Club.
Is that what they call it, the Kit of the Month?
I think so.
Okay.
It's a Graphic 45 kit. You're in the picture.
Are you actually taping yet?
We are. We are taping right now. and the thing is yes, folks, we do entertain ourselves here. I'm going to try to hold the camera very still because a lot of you have been getting dizzy because I move too much. What can I say?
Are you ready?
We are ready.
Okay, I didn't know you was doing the camera thing.
Well,
there was no 1, 2, 3.
No, there's no 1, 2, 3. Not today.
Well, here we go.
Let's go. Let's open this sucker up.
Who knows what the front of this is going to sound like now. So we've never done the Kit of the Month before. We've never gotten them, so we're kind of excited about this. Let's open up and see what we got. Oh, paper. Lovely.
Yeah, you could do a lot with that paper.
I know. There you go. Make a wreath out of that for later. Ooh. So, let's see what kind of goodies the Kit of the Month is going to have.
I'm trying to hold still so I can't ooh and ah. I'm holding very still. Ooh.
So, look at those. So, that's those keyholes. And I love these. I think they're so pretty.
I love their metal.
And you also get one of these incredible stamps. Love this stamp. Very steampunky. She's so cool looking.
She is.
And you get an ephemera pack. That comes in your kit.
Okay, these kits are jam-packed, huh?
I know. Oh my gosh, you get stamped ink. Look at there. Wow. So they just give you everything you need. That is amazing. What's next? Okay, we'll reveal that last.
Okay, reveal
Put it right in the middle, but you know, we're gonna get that out of the way. You get your sticker sheet.
12 by 12.
12 by 12, and those are really, really cool.
Actually, I really love this.
I can't wait to play with this paper.
This line has been gorgeous. It really is a gorgeous line.
And you also get the paper with just the backgrounds and solids on it.
Solids and backgrounds.
Yes, look at there. That's pretty cool.
And more stickers.
And more stickers.
Up, and we have our beautiful Graphic 45
and it all gets wrapped in this incredibly great, look at this great bag that you get.
Okay,
Proudly
and it
display
actually
your
says
stuff.
45 bags.
And oops.
She's dropping stuff on her feet. Look at that.
Such a klutz. Okay, and you get this incredible, this is the Imagine collection. So
you get the directions to do.
Look at this.
The,
so what do we got? Oh, we have a little folio mini album.
So you have the directions to do the projects.
Yeah, I think there's 3 projects.
Very nice.
There we go. Look at that.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Okay.
Look at those cards. Ooh, I'm impressed.
I am too.
I can't wait to make them. So there you have it, folks. The Kit of the Month. You get all these goodies and the project sheet to make your great projects that they have here for you.
And don't forget the lovely bags, Sue.
I know. I would like to have one of the bags, but we're going to have to give them away with the kits.
You're going to have to buy a kit.
I'm going to have to, so I can play.
All
right. So come on over to bluemoonscrapbooking.com and pick up your kit today.
Well, not yet. We're going to post them, and then we're going to post this video. Just saying.